The iPhone 16e is positioned as a more affordable entry-level iPhone model in the entire iPhone 16 series lineup. But that's Apple's opinion about their product. When it comes to reality and user experience, it varies from person to person. Today, you will see the unboxing and my first impressions of the iPhone 16e mobile phone. During the offers, this product is available for between 45,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees after applying all discounts. I ordered the base model that comes with 128 GB of internal storage and 8 GB of RAM. This mobile is available only in two colors. One is black and the other one is white. Today you are seeing the black color iPhone 16e. The unboxing experience is almost similar to other iPhones in the current era. After removing the seals, the first thing we get inside is the iPhone 16e. I'll come back to this in a bit. Below that, we get a Type-C to Type-C braided cable, a SIM ejector tool and some paperwork. I think you are already aware that we don't get a charger, screen guard or back case in the box. One good thing is they provide a braided cable instead of normal one. Let's come back to the mobile phone. My initial in-hand impressions, it feels very light and soft on the back. I'll check the weight of the mobile phone without adding any SIM cards or a back case. My weighing scale is showing 166 grams. While powering on the device, let's have a look at the physical overview of the mobile phone. On the top, we get nothing. On the right side, we get a power button. On the bottom, we get the speakers and the Type-C slot. And on the left side, we get one action button followed by separate volume up and down keys and a SIM ejector tray. Let me open this and show it to you whether it is single or dual SIM. Even though this mobile supports dual SIMs, depending on the model and the country you purchase, it differs. This one is supported for one physical SIM and the other is an eSIM. This iPhone 16e looks almost similar to the iPhone 13 and iPhone 14 models in terms of design. I will quickly set up this mobile phone and see you again on the main screen. In case you want to know how to transfer data from Android to iOS, including WhatsApp chat, I already posted a dedicated video about that. You can check that on this channel. This mobile has a single camera setup on the front and back. Also, it comes with the Apple's own C1 network modem. I'll check that in detail and update you in future. Alright, I have completed the setup and transferred some of the data from my Android mobile phone. Let's quickly check the free storage we get out of 128 GB. As you can see here, if we remove the WhatsApp chat data of around 8.27 GB, we get roughly 103 GB free. By the way, this mobile comes with a 6.1-inch screen and the Apple A18 Bionic chip that includes Apple Intelligence features too. I'm going to post dedicated videos of this mobile phone, including the camera test, gaming test, battery test, charging test and many more. You can check those videos after watching this. So before ending the video, my first impressions are mixed because I'm coming from using the Samsung S25 5G mobile phone. I'll talk more about my user experience in the in-depth user review that is going to be posted very soon. That's it for this video. You can check all the different accessory links of this product in the description box as well as in the comments section. Thanks for watching and see you again in another video.